David Shaw here with another off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., come visit my site, offtherecordtours.com. Let's go. This beautiful fall day reminds me of my first visit to Germany more than 20 years ago. So I came to the German-American Friendship Garden on the Mall in Washington. The relationship between America and Germany goes back more than 300 years, when the first group of Mennonites arrived in Philadelphia. So why do we need a German-American Friendship Garden today? Well, there were a few years where the relationship was a bit tense, but fortunately that didn't last long. All the memorials on the National Mall were erected for a reason, and the German-American Friendship Garden is no different. Nothing is here by accident. In 1988, at the end of his presidency, Ronald Reagan and West German Chancellor Helmut Kohl dedicate the garden. The German-American relationship went through a lot during Reagan's time in the White House. Germans opposed, but nonetheless accepted, deployment of Pershing II missiles. Then there was the time Kohl roped Reagan into laying a wreath at a cemetery where SS soldiers were buried. That didn't play very well. But Reagan wanted to show a strong German-American alliance to the Soviet Union, and a garden across the street from the White House was a small way to do that. A year later, the Berlin Wall comes down, and 2 years after that, East and West Germany reunite. Today, Germany is one of America's strongest allies. So, when you're visiting Washington and around the White House, make sure you cross Constitution Avenue and come over and sit down in this delightful garden and perhaps reflect on those many years of strong friendship between Germany and America. Well, I hope you enjoyed that off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., things seen and unseen, arrange your tour of your nation's capital at offtherecordtours.com. Until then, I'm David Shaw.